Open Blender. Press General. Delete the cube. Press 1 on the numpad to go to front view. Press Shift and hold it and then press A to add an object. Click on Mesh and then Plane. Press R, then X, then 90, then Enter to rotate the plane so it faces you. Press Tab to go to Edit mode. Click on the wrench over here and then click on Add Modifier and choose the Mirror modifier. Hold G and then X and move the plane to the right. Hold S and then X and move your mouse to the right to scale up on the X-axis. Put your cursor near the top edge and hold Ctrl and press R to add a loop cut. Roll your middle mouse to add more loop cuts. 4 is good. Left-click your mouse twice. Put your cursor near the right edge and hold Ctrl and press R and roll the middle mouse to add 3 horizontal loop cuts. Again, left-click your mouse twice. Add another loop cut here and left-click only once. Move the loop cut down a little bit. Then left-click once. Press 2 on the top left of your keyboard to select edges. Click on this edge. Hold E and X and drag the edge to the right a little bit to extrude it. Then press 3 on your numpad to go to side view. Hold E and then Y and drag the edge to the right to extrude it on the Y-axis. Then press E and drag it down at an angle like this. Click 1 on the numpad to go back to front view. Select this segment and hold Shift and select the segment below it. Then press R and drag to rotate the edge this way. Then hold G and then X and drag the edge until the little segment above is vertical. Do the same on the other side, rotating in the opposite direction and then dragging to the left. Press 1 on the top of your keyboard to go into Vertex Select. Hold Shift and click on the 4 corner vertices. Press S and drag to scale the corners in slightly. Add a loop cut here by holding Ctrl and pressing R. Again, left-click your mouse twice. Repeat this on the other edges. Press 3 on the top left of your keyboard to go into Face Select. Select these faces. Press P and separate by selection. Now the glass lens is separate from the frames. Click Tab to go into Object mode. Select the frames and add another modifier. Choose Subdivision Surface. Add a Solidify modifier. Increase the thickness to 0.08. Click on the lenses. Choose Subdivision Surface. Hold Shift and then press A to add another plane. Press R, then X, then 90, then Enter. Press S and drag in to scale it down. Hold S and then Z and drag in to scale it down on the Z axis. Hold G and then Z and drag the plane up. Click on the frames. Click up here on Rendered View. Now click on Material Properties, which is this beach ball icon down here. Press New. Click on the base color. I will drag the brightness all the way down to make black. I'm going to lower the roughness to about 0.1. Click on the connector. You can click on here to add the same color to the connector. Click on the lenses. Click on New to add a different material. Click on Base Color and turn the V value all the way up to 1. Put roughness all the way down to 0. Change the transmission value to 1. Click on Render Properties and change the render engine to Cycles. Now we have a glass material. To make sunglasses, click on the color and drag the brightness dial down to darken it. You can change the color to